Very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 4, environmental balance. Look at this picture. Here you can see different type of birds, also different type of butterflies, flowers, creepers. We can see the non-living things like sky, water, wood and soil. Also, you can observe near your house, in the school garden or in a field and list out the living and non-living things that you observe there. In the course of your observations, did you notice any signs of the presence of living things though the living things themselves were not seen? Here you can see the bird eating fruit and the squirrel eating corn. So, you may notice any partly eaten fruits or shells, fallen feathers, animal tracks, dung, droppings, nests, cocoons, eggs, honeycombs, etc. So, this all indicates the presence of the living things in that particular area. Now, we will see the biodiversity. The variety we see in all the living things that belong to a particular area is called the biodiversity of that place. Biodiversity is the variability among living organisms from all sources including terrestrial, marine and other aquatic ecosystems and the ecological complexes of which they are part. This includes diversity within species, between species and of ecosystems. We can see fish in different water bodies. The environment. The surroundings and the conditions in those surroundings which affect the life of the organisms there are together known as their environment. It includes many components such as sunlight, air, water, soil, plants and animals, etc. Living and non-living things are dependent on each other. There is a lot of give and take or interaction between them. Environmental science studies these interactions. Mutual relationships between the various factors of environment. The relationship between the living and non-living things forms an ecosystem. The non-living things like water, air, soil and other are required by the living organisms for leading their life cycle. Thus, this can be said that both living and non-living things are interdependent on each other and forms an ecosystem. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you.